Want to change your shirt color easily? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to change your shirt color on FaceTune. Let's get started. Open the FaceTune app first. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Add from My Device. Select the picture in which you want to change the shirt color. There are many editing options at the bottom. Swipe to the right. Tap on Clothes. Now you can choose from the ones at the top. Adjust the size. And use the scroller to adjust the look. There are various editing options like Details, Saturation, and Whites. Or you can tap on Custom, then select the desired design from your gallery. Select the picture you want to add. You can drag the image, use the scroller, or resize it. Like so. Tap on Save at the top right to save your edit. And that is how to change your shirt color on FaceTune. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.